Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is time for me to do a project pan update. I have some pretty big updates, if I do say so myself, so let's get started. So in my, as you guys can see, I definitely hit pan a couple times. Woo. So my Glow Kit Sunburst highlighter, I finally hit pan. So happy. And then my pan and my blush definitely got bigger. The Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Sensual, as you guys can see, got pretty big. And then like there was some product here, I've used that up, so finally. And then getting down to the brim of this concealer. I could take off the stopper, but I don't know if I'm going to or not. It's just so messy, this concealer. Like, there's product everywhere. It gets kind of crusty. But yeah, I'm definitely seeing the end of the tunnel. And as you guys can see, I have definitely scraped like the sides. So to get product out. So we're almost done with that. This, oh, by the way, this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm. And then I don't have like a scale or anything, but I don't know. Like, I do feel like I have used a lot of this powder. Like, I used it pretty much every single day in January and then February. So, I don't know. I probably should have a scale, but I don't, like, weigh my food or anything. But you can kind of see, I feel like I'm getting lower. So, oh, this is the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Powder in the shade Light. I think there's only, like, a couple shades. And then this, I don't know when I'm going to hit pan on this. I have used, like, pretty much these two highlighters every single day. I'm obsessed with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, so I use that, and then I put a highlighter on top. So like today I'm wearing the Glow Kit one. I use it both by ABH. I have not bought a new highlighter in years because I have not hit pan on these. You can still see the like imprint in this. Like I use this all the time. I go between the Glow Kit one and then this one, the Amarizi highlighter, by the way. This is so much product. Like, I don't know, but it's amazing. I love both of them. Oh, and I've also, for highlighter, I've been using the Tiny Marvels palette by Sydney Grace. I use the shade Web as a highlighter. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I did hit a little dip. And in Tree Hopper, I feel like I have, I don't know if you guys are able to see it. That's this shade. Like, a little baby dip, but definitely not like this one. And then Walking Stick, I scratched my nail on it. I didn't really use it that much this month, but I'm going to try again. And then Def Moth, I might have to switch the shades I'm going to use. And then like, I don't know. I feel like there's a lot of product in these, so I don't really think there's anything to show besides Web. Progress-wise, in that palette, I'm going to try to do better this month. And then in my Moonspell by Lunar Beauty, Volume 1, I just got Volume 2. I feel, I use this a lot, except for I didn't really use, well, no, I used the greens, but I feel like I definitely have like a little dip in Sabrina. And then in Paige, you can kind of see. And then in the greens, I don't know if you're able to see, like, there's a lot of product in these palettes. And then in my lip liners, like, it's pretty small. I have, before I sharpen these, I marked with a piece of paper. I've been keeping check to see where I am at, but like, we're getting pretty low. Almost unsharpenable. That is the NYX Cosmetics Lip Liner in Peekaboo Neutral. And then the shade Ever are also getting there too. And then the LA Girl eyeliners, the Glide On Gel Liner in Mermaid Blue. We're getting there. And then Fresh, getting pretty small too. I love these eyeliners. And I think that was everything. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's everything in my project pan. So yeah, we have made some progress, but hopefully I will make more progress this month. And if, well, I'm not going to use any of these up. Well, except for, I think I might maybe use this up. Well, not probably this month, but in March maybe. And then we'll see if I hit pan anywhere else or make more. I think I'm going to make more progress on this, and then obviously the blush. So yeah, that is my updates for my first project pan update. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you are trying to hit pan on anything. And have a great day, night, whatever. Bye. See you in my next one.